Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. What I'd like to do is show you how to show you how to find the missing angle, measure of angle 1. So we can use this by a couple different ways. We know that an exterior angle, you can see we have an exterior angle and we have a right angle. Now, we can use the triangle sum theorem, which means that all the angles in a triangle add up to 180. But I only know one angle inside, and I have an exterior angle. But we know that a couple things. We know that the interior or the exterior angle and the interior angle are supplementary. We also know that the exterior angle is equal to the sum of the two interior angles, right? So I'll go ahead and solve this two different ways. I can say that 119 is equal to the sum of your two interior angles, of your two opposite interior angles. I could also say I want to figure out what that interior angle is. So I can say, let's call that angle 2. So I could say measure of angle 2 plus 119 equals 180. So measure of angle 2, or subtract 119. So measure of angle 2. Measure of angle 2, it's going to be 20. It's going to be 61. And then once I know that that is 61 degrees, I could say that, well, the sum of all these angles adds up to 180. So I could say 61 degrees plus 90 degrees equals the measure, plus the measure of angle 1 equals 180 degrees. Well, that becomes 151 degrees plus the measure of angle 1 equals 180. Subtract 151, subtract 151. Measure of angle 1 equals 29 degrees. So that is one way. That is using that the exterior interior angle are supplementary. So finding the measure of that angle, then using the triangle angle sum interior angle sum theorem to write an equation to solve. We also talked about that the exterior angle is equal to the sum of your two opposite angles. So I subtract 90, and what I can see is 19. Measure of angle 1 is equal to 21 degrees. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. That is how you determine your missing angle of a triangle. Thanks.